As you can see, she's wearing sneakers. Yes, because for those who don't know, I love sneakers. That's what I do in real life. So I wanted my characters to have sneakers too. Hey y'all, it's your girl Daisy. If you have been following me and checking out my videos and watching me and liking my videos and commenting and being there for your girl. So if you has been doing that, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming back. And those who are new, welcome to my channel. Yes. If you have watched my recent video of me creating my new character, Little Mousy, you will also see a sneak peek at the end, which is the character I drew of me. She is getting a whole update because I feel like it's need to be updated right now because I just want to see something new and fresh. And that's why the new series that I got going on my channel right now, out with the old, in with the new. This is the reason why I am making that animation. But right now you will see me working on sneakers because your girl loves sneakers. That's what I do. Okay, so I want to show you guys me drawing my me sneakers, and after that you will see a full drawing of her. Like I said before, I'm working on a lot of things right now, so I decided, I'm gonna show them, my girl new kicks, her new shoes, fresh, they fresh out the box for real. Okay, I thought I would let you see me making make these shoes, like part of it, not all of it, a little sneak because I want to show you everything at one time. So I like to keep a little patient and wait to see the whole thing. But right now, let's go ahead and get into this because your girl got to continue drawing. Animations, I got to keep going. But right now, drawing these fresh kicks. And let me know down in the comments down below because Little Mouse, she get her little kicks too. Have not seen that video yet? I will leave that in the description down below. You can go check it out. And guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And if you want to go see more videos of me, I'll put it right here so you can go check this video out. You might like it. And guys, I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.